What's good? I'm Lil Dre. Y'all know that shit. First off, it's Gucci around my neck, bitch. No, I'll just play with y'all. Excuse me, I'm on this motherfucking bar. I feel good a little bit. But now look, this some little shit I wrote. It go like this. I woke up this morning and had this paper in mind. I had a hoe say she love me, but she can never be mine. When that hoe say she love me, I told that bitch she was lying. She just seeing that paper, I swear she just wanna shine. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, my phone ringing, it's jumping. But it ain't from the hoes, it's from some niggas with money. Now that niggas see me getting it, they say I'm making funny, cause I won't give them no money, they better asking for nothing. All I got is my niggas, Lester, Kobe, and Jordan, Joe, Dino, and De'Aaron. All them niggas important. When I used to need some money, that's when niggas ignore me. So now when I get my money, y'all need my shit important. Yeah, real shit, bitch. That's what a nigga own. And yeah, I got it, but I had to get it on my own. And now I got it, bitches can't seem to leave me alone. That's why a young rich nigga got 2 phones. Yeah, and I done fell in love with trapping. But later on, I know I'm gonna be reaping all my actions. But I ain't worrying about it, I'm just trying to make it happen. Cause my niggas say they ready, they say they tired of relaxing. But if I do it, I'ma be the one to do it right. 9 days is hard to shine, cause everybody got a light. I be smoking so I'm high, probably at the nearest flight. I don't use cash, baby girl, all I do is swipe. I'm so in love with the pussy, she got me so addicted. She even told me I can quit it as soon as I hit it. It's like I found a girl that promised not to cheat again. And we stop talking and I end up fucking with her friends. Bitch, I'm Lil Dre, you know my name and I be going in. So now I'm fucking with them both just to fuck again. Yeah. And that's all I got on that bitch. I ain't even done with that hoe. But I'm finna come out with a new mixtape. I'm Lil Dre. Y'all fuck with a nigga, man. Fame.